Hi, my name is Carissa. I am a website optimizer, is what we'll say. I don't like to call it SEO because I do so much more than that. And what I wanted to do is give a few web design people in Cranberry Township just a little lesson on optimization for you, kind of show you why certain people are ranking at the top here. We've got a couple. Whelp is actually pretty good, but if we look at the actual design studios here, why are they ranking at the top versus somebody, on the front page that might be ranking at the bottom or even on the second page? So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to take a look at your Google presence. Google likes people that take advantage of their local maps listing. I would recommend changing a photo so it's more clear, unless that's just my computer. And then if we go down, I noticed that nobody here has any reviews. The thing about reviews is reviews, after you get, I think it's about 5, you actually get stars. So you'll actually start to stand out in this Google local maps listings. And you can actually find people to get reviews for you, or we can call your former clients to do that. So what I want to do is take we're not going to look at yellow pages in Yelp because they actually can be beat if you know how to do the on-site optimization well enough, but we're going to actually take and copy the Sparks designs. We're going to take it and put it in a software called Majestic SEO. And I just kind of want to show you the difference between Majestic SEO, or I'm sorry, the difference between Sparks Designs, who's at the top of that Google front page, and somebody that is not at the top. So if we take a look at Sparks Design, we can see that they don't have very much trust flow. This is something Google actually looks at. So why is it that they're still at the top? Their citation flow is 19, referring domains is 2, external backlinks. If we take a look at their anchor text, there's really not much to it. So let's go back and let's try to solve this mystery. This is what I do. Okay, so I go, okay, well, you know what? They don't even have a Google Maps listing for the keyword web design Cranberry Township. So why is it that they are here? So if I look here, all right, it's creative design and development company located just outside Pittsburgh and Cranberry, PA. And sometimes it's just that simple. So let's actually take a look at their website and see if there's a lot of content that's relevant to Cranberry, PA. I have a feeling that there must be somewhere on the first page. And yep, sure enough, in this very first sentence, and this is something that Google looks at, they look at this top and this here, that's the reason that they're at the top right now. I don't know how old this company is. It looks like, their copyright 2015, that doesn't tell me anything. But part of the reason that they are at the top is because in this very first sentence, they have Cranberry, PA. Isn't that crazy? All right, so let's take a look at somebody else on this Google front page. Okay, so all of you guys that are in this Google Maps listing, you should really be kicking this person out, because if you take what they have, that little tiny thing, plus you add photos that are optimized, plus you do the Google Maps listing, which all of you here are verified, you are going to start to blow this person out of the water. Trust me, I've already done it with a couple companies, and if we talk, I can give you that information. If I come down here, let's find we could do Forward Trends, Newcastle, PA. They're close, so they're going to throw them in there. But let's find out why. Let's find Striking Alchemy. I don't know if that's actually okay, Media Post Inc. So they're in Zelly, right? They are on this maps listing for that keyword, so that means it's likely on their Google listing. And I want to actually find out why they're not even on the front page. So we're going to actually go to their page, check out what their content looks like, and while that's loading, we're going to go here, okay, and we're going to put them in here because it may be that they actually have that was subdomain information. Gosh darn it. All right. Okay. Let's do root domain, Media Post Inc. They have a TrustFlow 23 citation and all these backlinks, but why aren't they on the front there? Okay, they're even, it looks like they've lost a couple links here. So they're actually on the back end paying for what's called SEO. What people do is they point these like heavy sites at them, and they're not necessarily good. They actually can have you lose trust in Google, even though you have a pretty high trust flow. But if we go back here, I'm willing to bet it's probably something to do with your page. All right, Pittsburgh-based studio. There's nothing that's the clear front runner here, so this is like an overlay. and then this isn't optimized. These aren't optimized. This is not optimized. Okay, so this is one of the main reasons that this particular company is not optimized. It's because they are actually missing some keywords on that front page there. And if I go to the about, where's the about? There it is. All right, let's go to the about and actually see. Okay, so their about is on their front page. So they're basically, it looks to me like one page that has everything here. So what they're missing is the actual optimization on that front page, and that would be the main reason. It doesn't matter how much trust they have, that they are not showing up on this front page. So this media post here, although they probably make really good websites, they're not going to be on that front page because Google, although they trust them, they don't trust them for this keyword, so which is web design Cranberry Township. So if you're trying to rank in Cranberry Township, which clearly, if you're on this maps listing somewhere, you've mentioned Cranberry Township, PA, they put you in that Google Maps. They're getting tougher with what they do as well. So if you're any of these websites, any of these web design studios, and you would like to work with me to help you work with the companies that you make web design for, or even to optimize your own site to kind of get you all over the place, I specialize in content. I specialize in keyword research. I specialize in doing optimizing images in photography for these web designs. So when I say that, if you look here, these are all Yelp. All right, I want to show you something. And this is, I'm trying to think. Okay. This is a project that I've been working on, and I'm just going to show you the images for this. If you look here, okay, every single one of these photos is an advertisement for this business, and every single one is 100% from me. Okay, so I've taken over this entire top image. If you are interested, and if you want to see, we can show you here. Okay, this is my site here. I'm at the top. I've got stars. If we come down here, I'm in position number 2. I can tell you why I'm not in number 1, but I'm not worried about it because I'm also in this position here. I'm in this position here. I'm actually, for page 2, I pretty much take over all of page 2, and my optimization is just all over the place. So I am able to basically dominate this area for this keyword. And if I go in and I put, I could do Beaver, I could do Beaver Falls, whatever I put, you're going to see my name and you're going to see the stars and you're going to see all of my images. So if you're interested as a web design company in Cranberry, and you would like to use my services, please call me 724-650-3114. I'd love to work with a web design company that is on a mission to do extremely well and sees the vision and understands how valuable my service is. All right, have a nice day. Bye.